I have been staying at home for a very long time, and it has been over 2 weeks I have seen anyone's face. The only thing I'm seeing around me is my computer, my camera, books. I've been spending time in the kitchen. I've been learning how to cook better, trying to do everything that makes me uncomfortable, doing the dishes, chopping the vegetables, and gradually I'm getting better at it. No, I'm enjoying it. I miss everything that I used to do when I used to step out with my camera, clicking photos, etc. To be honest, staying away from whatever I like to do is suffocating. I think since we are at home, we should start learning new things. If you are good at something, you can share it. You can share it in between your friends that I do this. You should not care if you are an amateur, you are a beginner, you are actually skilled at it, or you're just doing it for your hobby, or maybe it is your passion. You should share it. Then maybe people who are at home, who are still trying to figure out what they want to do to pass their time, maybe they find it interesting, and you can actually share whatever you know, and together it will be such a nice interaction because two people will be talking about a mutual interest. Maybe we can share a better knowledge, or maybe we can accept something which is much better, and it will make us grow. And by the time this pandemic will be getting over, things will be getting sorted, we'll learn some new skills. I'll learn how to cook better, I'll learn how to make better videos, I'll learn how to actually talk, because since I have never been very good at talking, I don't know much about how our mind works, but I have been hearing a lot about depression and anxiety these days from my friends. And all I want to say is anxiety is future. Anxiety is thinking about future. Anxiety is totally your imagination. And depression is totally about regretting about the past, which is your memory. Both of it is not real. Both of it is totally inside your head. And what is actually around you, that is all that matters. Nothing is more important than the breath you are taking. Everything starts with a conversation, and we never know how far it can go. And I think this too shall pass. Everything passes. Like this won't be the same forever, right? This will end someday, and all I want to say is whenever this ends, let's not be the same person what we were when this began.